to give a quick review of this smart toilet that I got here. Came very nicely packaged. Everything was well protected, so nothing was scratched or damaged. Everything was greatly packaged. It has everything you need to set it up, all the parts, and just the tools that you need to provide on your own. The manual was very easy to read and follow. Every single step was written down carefully with pictures and details of how to properly set everything up. So we did not have any issues. It was a pretty quick installation, not too difficult at all. So just a few more little details here. And a simple plumbing connection here. And you plug it into the wall. Also comes with a backup battery in case of a power outage. And that's the final result. So beautiful. It comes with a remote control. It has many different options and functions, so you can set up the temperature for the seat itself, as well as you can switch and set the temperature for the water. There are six adjustable temperature options for each. It has a wash built in for the back and the front. For it to work, there needs to be some weight on the seat. That's why my husband has his hands on there. And it has a drying option as well. You can control the power of it. And it has a built-in deodorization function. Besides the remote, you can also open with a motion because there's a sensor right there. And if you wave your foot again over there, it will pick up the seat, and then again to close it, and it flushes automatically. Also, it flushes automatically when you step away from the toilet, and it will just automatically close the lid and flush. It has a thermal fuse water temperature sensor, thermostat, and there's a night light, which is awesome and so convenient. And the third control option is this knob on the side. This toilet has it all, every single function that you can possibly think of.